What's the meaning of cock-a-leekie soup? Cock-a-leekie soup. Cock-a-leekie soup.
Cock-a-leekie soup. Cock-a-leekie soup. Cock-a-leekie soup is a Scottish dish traditionally made with chicken, leeks, and barley. The name comes from the ingredients. Cock refers to the chicken, and leekie to the leeks. The soup is usually simmered for several hours to allow the flavors to meld together and create a rich, comforting broth. The resulting soup is hearty, flavorful, and perfect for chilly weather. It's often served as a starter or main course, and can be garnished with herbs or croutons for added texture and flavor.